This funny looking vegetable is kohlrabi. It's a member of the cabbage family and it's high in vitamin C, B6, and potassium. You can eat it both raw or cooked. Today we're going to be making a kohlrabi slaw. I have my kohlrabi and my apples cut into julienne slices or matchsticks. You want to peel the kohlrabi and cut it like an apple without using the center core. And then you can slice it into small matchsticks the same size as your apple. For the apple, I used a nice honey crisp that's sweet and delicious, and then another Granny Smith that's a little tart. I also have minced jalapeno pepper, some chopped cilantro, and the zest of an orange, a lemon, and a lime. I have all my ingredients combined in a bowl. You want to add some salt and pepper to taste. And then I made a nice orange vinaigrette to drizzle all over. Just want to pour that all on top of the matchsticks. This you can make ahead so that it has a chance to marinate. It'll stay fresh in the refrigerator for a couple of days, and it's really a nice side if you're having a piece of fish or chicken on the grill. It's a nice crunchy salad for lunch, put on top of some bib lettuce. Try something new. Kohlrabi is available in the store all year round. Give it a try, make this crunchy slaw. For this recipe and others, go to our extension website at extension.udel.edu under the Health, Nutrition, and Food Safety tab.